Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the next three tags of the session which we started in our last video. So let us go to see them. We have seen the abbreviation tags, quotation tags and so on. So today we will be seeing the address tag, site tag and video tag. What are these? Address tag is basically used to describe a particular address, like where we live, or we want to give the address information of any particular person, so we can use this address tag. This also has a closing tag which mostly consists of a slash, and the starting one which consists of the address tag without any slash. Then comes the cite tag, which is used to give citation. The full form is citation, means if we upload a picture which has been drawn by a particular person and we want to state that yes, this picture has been drawn by this person, or there is a particular figure and we want to write that this figure describes this or that, so we can do that using the citation tag. It's most importantly used after a picture to explain something about the picture, like its writer or so. And the video tag, bidirectional override tag, is used to write the sentence from left to right. Like if I write any particular sentence, so how can I write it? I write James. So if I write it from the opposite side, so I will write SEMAJ, same. So it's from right to left. This means bidirectional override, means the sentence which we write from left to right will be written from right to left within this tag. So let us view these tags. Sublime. Yeah, so here we can see the address tag. We have given the written by, visit at, the email address, then the location and the country, then address tag ends here. Similarly, if we want to give a citation tag, here's the citation tag. So we'll have to give an image. It's not important, but as I told you, it's mostly used with the image. So again, I described that Mickey image here, and below that I have used the citation describing the Mickey Mouse downloaded from Google. And below that I have given a bidirectional tag video, and I have written here the statement. This text will be written from right to left. This statement here, this tag, firstly video, has an attribute dir which states the direction. RTL means right to left, so this text will be displayed from right to left. You can also use left to right for your convenience, but it's of no use. So let us run the code. See, here's the code. The address we used was within the address tag written by Jim Samuels, and let us check simultaneously the content. Yes, so here was the address which is displayed here, written by James Samuel, India. Then comes the image. So here's the image which we displayed, and below the image is the citation. We can see Mickey Mouse downloaded from Google. And then comes our tag video, which gives the right to left, and we can see that it has been written completely from right to left, and we can read it from right to left like THIS, this TXT text will be written, and so on. So all about the tags today. Stay tuned. Thank you.